Aloha! Welcome to KTA COOKIN recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're gonna make summer green goddess dressing. In a blender, combine the avocado oil, lemon juice, zest, sour cream, Japanese mayo, garlic, and ranch dip mix. Blend until smooth, about 1 minute. Add the spinach, arugula, parsley, and basil. With the blender off, press the greens down into the mixture. Then pulse until the herbs are blended, but still slightly coarse. Use this versatile dressing on salads, toss with blanched green beans as a base for pasta or grain salads, a marinade for chicken, pork, or fish, or as a flavorful spread on sandwiches. Enjoy! For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.